Every day, our soldiers face constant risk of injury from landmines and IEDs. Our challenge is to provide them with the maximum level of protection. Introducing Plasan's Mine Blast Management Solution, an optimal multi-layer blast protection solution for armored vehicles and other platforms. When an explosion impacts a vehicle, the first line of defense is a smart-shaped deflector that mitigates up to 85% of the blast and distributes the impact along the belly of the vehicle. The deflector is composed of advanced materials and utilizes deformation and crush zones to minimize the loading on the hull. To further minimize damage or injury, Plasan's floating floor is attached to the vehicle's floor and walls. This additional layer of protection isolates the crew's feet from the vehicle floor. The protective footpads have a flexible energy-absorbing surface, offering another important layer of protection for the occupant's tibia and femur. The energy attenuation, or EA seats, are built to protect and are a critical element of Plasan's mine blast management solution. The EA seats are based on an innovative high-performance double-action mechanism that minimizes damage to the occupant's spine and pelvis by converting kinetic energy to plastic deformation. The double-action mechanism recovers mitigation after the initial blast for the slam-down when the vehicle freefall ends. Plasan's EA seats offer a highly ergonomic design for the comfort and safety of armed personnel, meeting even the most stringent military standards. Plasan's extensive design process ensures the best fit within the size, weight, and cost requirements. Plasan combines extensive FEA simulations with actual field tests. They include hundreds of live blast and drop tests performed each year on the company's on-site testing ground. Every component and blast scenario is simulated to maximize the soldier's safety on the battlefield. Smart vehicle protection means minimizing the risk of injury to the crew. Plasan's optimal mine blast management solution is battle-tested and has been proven effective in providing maximum safety for all the vehicle's occupants. Plasan. Innovate, deliver, protect.